guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I saw this on TikTok and I just had to try it because I have terrible hooded eye. So like any makeup lover, makeup enthusiast, I'm constantly looking for different techniques that will help elongate my eyes because I have hooded lids, right? Now this is the reverse cat eye smoky kind of moment. I painted by Spencer on Instagram. I'll leave the links to the videos down below if you want to check it out. And I really wanted to try it, okay? If you feel like this is gonna look bomb, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let's get into the video. I'm so excited. So the technique is pretty simple because Spencer did upload a tutorial on his TikTok and it seems fairly simple. As I mentioned, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys if you want to check it out. I'm just gonna start off by priming my eye area. So for my palette today, I'm going into the Nanacoco Smokey Quad. I'm going to be using all Nanacoco products today, and this is what it looks like. So I mainly chose this palette for this like cool tone brown shade and of course the black. Okay, so all you're basically going to do on the lid is grab some of that cool tone brown and pop it down in the crease. He does mention that you need to blow this baby out, just making sure to perfect my blend, especially because it's the only thing that's going to be on the lid. The best way to get a blown on crease is to get like a super fluffy brush, and it'll basically do the work for you. Alright, then we're just going to go ahead and run that color on the lower lash line. Lower, it's kind of like a transition shade to the lower lash line. For when you apply the black. No, black eyeshadow can be a little intimidating, but my mantra is take it slow, take it easy, less is more. You can always just build it up. Okay, then we're gonna go in with a black eyeliner. This is the Nanacoco Long Way eyeliner in the shade black. I really like this because you can smudge it really well. Extend it on the bottom, and then we're gonna go ahead right to the corner and extend it here as well. I really hope this works out well. I am going to take a teeny tiny smudging brush with this black right there, and we're slowly going to smudge the edge of this. A tip that I can give you as well, if you're the kind of person where eyeliner just like disappears in your waterline, set the eyeliner with the black shadow and it will stay. Like, it will stay. So you just want to soften the edges of this black. Take your time, honestly. Then I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and blend it out a little bit more. Then I'm going to go into that same brush that had the brown on it and go back in. Okay guys, and this is basically what we have. I really hope it's going to come together when I put the mascara and the lashes on full face speed, because I'm a little nervous that this is not for me. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, do the other one on camera, and then I'm going to do my base, and then we'll be back. And I'll give you guys my final thoughts, whether this is a hit or a miss for me, for my hooded eye. Okay, and this is the final look. Do I think I rocked it like Spencer? I don't think so. I feel like my inner corner is a little too deep for this cat eye kind of vibe, which is also why I didn't actually try it when the whole like liner thing was a trend, because I don't think it's for me. Am I mad at the look? No, it looks really cool. I like it. Let me know down below if you guys have tried it or if this is something that you would actually try. But yeah guys, that's it from me. Check the description bar down below. I always leave the links to everything that I use in the video, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.